Good day viewers, my name is Wayford. Welcome to my 11th QBasic tutorial. You can see my ID is different. I'm still using the QBasic 64. I just changed the ID color. You can as well do something like that. I'm just trying to make it look attractive a bit. You can come to option, then ID color. You see the color here. You can see it's changing. You can use anyone you want to use. That's it. But let me use the white. So in this tutorial I will be talking about strings manipulation. I believe you all know what a string is. So let's write an example and then you'll see what I'm saying. So I need a string here. Let me clear the screen. Then I need a print statement. Enter an enter an alphabet. Input A. Then you use an if statement. If A equals A, then print we entered A, else if A equals B, then print you entered B, else if A equals C, then print then print you entered C, else print invalid input. And if I need to close the first one, and if second one, then end if of the third one. So I believe the program is set now. We deem A as string, then print enter an alphabet, input the alphabet. So if the alphabet equals A, print A. If it equals B, and that's that. So let's run this and see. So my cap lock is off, so let me input A. Oh no, A. You can see I have an invalid input. Let's run it again. A small letter B, invalid input. Let's run this again by using a cap lock A. You entered A. So what if we want to make it like whether we input in uppercase or in lowercase, if it were to be A, it should still print out A. So that is where we need to use a U case. So here after the string you just need to declare a statement here like A equals U case. You put the $. That's a bracket. I don't know why it's not showing things. Seems I need to go back to my previous IDE color rather. Okay, so you can see now A equals U case A. So any alphabet input here will be converted automatically to uppercase. So let's run this back again. let's use the small letter A, a valid input. Oops, it shouldn't be. Okay, I need to put this, let me cut this away from here. It should be directly under the input. So I believe you all know how this works. After the label, enter an alphabet. Once you input an alphabet, automatically convert it to uppercase, then work on this operation. So let's run it and see what's up about this. So lowercase a, you entered A, so you can see that. Then to the next thing, another thing I would also want to introduce you to in QBasic is in string manipulation. Let's clear this off. You can copy the code anyways. Let's say print length. Way forward. Let's run this and see what the output is going to be. That's 8. So I believe we know what the function of the length is. It is meant to count the length of the character A. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can see that's the length. And also there is something called the mid command. Let's clear this off and see. Print mid, the $, and also way forward. The comma, the first one here is saying, the one here is saying you should start from the first letter A, which is W. So you can see, and then the second one here is saying the amount of character is meant to print out. So if it is starting from W and if it is meant to print out only a character, then W should be the output. Let's run this and see. You can see W. Let's change the character to 5. The amount of characters to 5. You can see W for W, blah, blah, blah. So that's the function of the mid. And also you can also, let's change the starting position and see. Let's start with the 4, and then we know there are 8 characters, then it should print out 4 out of it. So let's see what's gonna be. You can see we have forward. So that's that about this. And also we have a vertical printing. Let's clear this off and see what I'm saying. Let's say team A as team A as integer. Enter a name. Then we need a for loop here. Oops, sorry. I need a for loop here. So for A equals to 1, to length of name. Okay, I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to attend to something. Then print mid $sign. Sorry. Two bracket. Is a comma 1. Okay, there's a mistake here. Need next A. So let's run this and see what the output is going to be. So let's give an example way forward and see. So you can see what the output is. I've eventually printed way forward vertically. Let's say we want to print the inverse of this. Then length way forward to step of 1, step -1. So 1 step -1. So let's run this and see. Way forward. So we have actually printed way forward backwards. I believe you all get this. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and please always subscribe on my channel.